Okay, Sophie, what are we making?
Slime.
Slime. And what are we going to use? What's our ingredients?
Slime.
What is this?
Slime.
Borax.
Borax.
What's this?
Glue.
Glue. Okay, so first, what are we going to do? We're going to add borax to 1 cup of water. Okay, here's our cup of water.
Can I make it?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I like spoon.
Oh, where's your spoon? It's underneath here. Okay, we need 1 teaspoon. So we're going to take...
Sugar?
No, this is borax.
Smell like sugar.
No, this is what we use for
It's not
laundry
sugar,
soap.
Sophie.
Can I do it, please?
Yes. Go ahead, put it in. Okay, and we're going to put 1 more. Because we need 1 teaspoon. Okay, put it in the other one. Good. Okay, now you can mix it together.
No, mix it. I'm gonna mix it.
Okay. Now we're going to open our glue. Keep mixing. You can keep mixing while I open it. Okay. And I'm going to put the glue in this one.
I'm gonna wash this.
You want to help me squeeze it?
Ah.
You help me squeeze it? Ready? Okay. I'm going to put all of the glue in there. Look at all that sticky glue.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to put 1/2 cup of water. Okay, ready? Here you go. 1/2 cup water. And let's mix. Let me mix this one.
I'm gonna mix this one.
Okay.
Spoon. I need more. There's more water. Blue.
Okay, and you mix that one?
Can I mix that one?
Yep. Okay. Now.
More glue time. I want more glue.
Chunk. Okay, look, Sophie. No. Ready? Let's mix the glue in. Ready? Let's take this out. You get to use your hands now. Ready? We're going to mix the glue in. Put your hands in. Mix it together. Mix it with your hands. Here, look. Look. Mix it. You like it? We can use some more glue.
That's not glue.
Yeah.
It's a stick.
Okay, show everybody. Show everybody what happened. What happened to our glue? Oh my goodness! It's slime! Oh my goodness! Wow! Okay, say bye-bye to everybody.